Hey, so I'm doing a video on if you can be friends with your ex. So, honestly, to be honest, you can, but not right away. Because even though you may move on fast or not, those memories are still there, and memories carry feelings. And those memories might pop up if, just so happen, the person you were friends with, that is your ex, starts dating someone else. Not that long after you broke up. It's possible that even though you might not be the jealous type, you might miss them. You might miss him, or you might end up turning out to be the jealous type. Because he's gone, or she's gone, and she's with someone else that she seems really happy with, and she used to, or he used to look at you that way, that he or she looks at that other person who's now with her or him. See, being friends with your ex, it's only good when you've taken a long, and I mean a really long, break away from each other. To let all those feelings go, and those memories seem to just be history, you know? And then, I don't know, it took me 9 months to be friends with my one ex. And he dates a lot of people. He goes back to back to girls. And it doesn't hurt me. He's with someone he's been with for a really long time now, and I'm happy for him. I'm glad he's with someone, because to be honest, I just want him to be happy. And I missed him. But to be honest, I think I like him better as a friend than I do like when I was with him. I mean, it was my first love and all, but that's in the past. I found someone else, fell in love with that person, had a second love. He left. I don't know if I could ever be friends with him though. But there's a certain reason why. See, the breakup ended bad. It's possible that you could get over it and then you might start feeling better. Or it's possible that you always hate the person forever. But if the breakup ended good, or you had an extremely great relationship and you lost a really good person, not that you broke up with them, they broke up with you, you still love them, being friends with them just isn't a thing. But if you moved on and you don't love them in that type of way anymore, you can be friends. As long as they feel the same way, where they don't love you like that anymore. If they feel the same way, then friendship works. Like me and my first love. We don't love each other like that anymore, and we're tight. We're like best friends. If anyone asks, we're best friends. We're really cool.